Self-doubt isn't a flaw. It's a habit, and habits can be broken. These 10 daily rituals, used by therapists and CEOs, will rewire your brain to trust yourself, even when fear screams loudest.
Self-doubt isn't about your abilities. It's about the stories you feed your mind. Let's replace those stories with science-backed habits that build an unshakable confidence. Habit number 3 changed my life.
When doubt hits, set a timer. I'll overthink this for 2 minutes, then decide. Most fears dissolve under deadlines. Anxiety hates efficiency.
Ask yourself, would I say this to my 10-year-old self? If not, why say it to you now? Swap self-criticism with compassion.
Open your notebook and write this. What's the worst that could happen? How likely is it? Can I survive it? Spoiler, you've survived 100% of your worst days so far.
Before bed, list 3 things you did today. Even something as simple as, I got out of bed. Progress fuels confidence. Perfection fuels doubt. Stand like a superhero for 2 minutes daily. Science shows this boosts testosterone and lowers cortisol. Fake it till your brain believes it. Stand in front of a mirror and ask yourself, why do I doubt myself? Then ask, why 5 more times. You'll uncover irrational roots, like, my 3rd grade teacher said. Instead of, I am confident, say, I choose to act as if I'm confident. Faking action feels safer than faking belief. When doubt starts to loop, say, not now, I'm busy. Then immediately do a physical task. Wash dishes, walk, fold laundry. Motion breaks emotion. Ask yourself, would I let someone talk to my best friend this way? If not, silence your inner critic. You're your own VIP. Let doubts rant, but only from 7 to 7:10 p.m. Contain them like a noisy neighbor. When they get airtime, you take control. Self-doubt is a bully, but you hold the mute button. Start with 1 habit today. Remember, the voice that says, you can't, is a liar. And liars hate proof. So go prove yourself right.